This dance is called Somewhere in Sedona. It's a 64 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to touch the right beside the left as you turn your knee inwards. You're then going to touch the right heel forward on the diagonal, 10, 130. Into a jazz box with a step forward at the end. So you're going to cross that right over left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, step forward on that left, but you are going to make 1/8 of a turn to the right, so you're now facing 130. Then add on a kick ball step. Kicking the right, right beside left, and then step that left forward. That's there to steps once more. Toe heel off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, cross, back, side, step, kick, ball, step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left. Step back on the right. So you're still facing 130 at this point. Make 3/8 of a turn to the left as you step forward on that left. So you should now be facing 9 o'clock. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left, hold, and then on the and count, you're going to step the right beside the left, and then step forward on that left again. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, back, turn, walk, walk, hold and step. Now the choreographer has actually suggested some alternative steps you can actually do in this section. So instead of doing that simple walk, walk, you can stomp, stomp, should you wish. So you would do your forward rock and back, turn, and then stomp, stomp, hold and step. So optional alternative steps should you wish to do that in that particular section. Let's add those 2 sections together. Toe heel off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, cross, back, side, step, kick, ball, step. Forward rock, back, turn, walk, walk, and step. So don't forget that little hold in there. You can add on a rocking chair, right foot leading, so rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Turn a quarter turn to the left as you step the right to the side, kick the left to the side, step the left to the side, cross that right over the left. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, turn, kick, side, cross. Let's add that to the top. Toe heel off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, cross, back, side, step, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, turn, walk, walk, hold and step. Rocking chair, turn, kick, side, cross. Step the left, large step to the side, drag the right towards the left. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on that left. Step forward on that right, making 1/8 of a turn, so you should now be facing 7:30. Twist both heels to the right, both heels back to centre, hitch the right. That set of steps once more then, side drag off on that left. 7, 8, side, drag, back, rock, step, twist, twist, hitch. That's our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Toe heel off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, cross, back, side, step, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, turn, walk, walk, hold and step. Rocking chair, turn, kick, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, step, twist, twist, hitch. Second half of the dance then. Step back on that right, sweep the left around, squaring yourself up to the back wall. Into a little weave, crossing that left behind the right, right to the side, cross that left over the right. You're then going to brush and hitch that right and go into a cross shuffle, crossing the right over the left, left to the side, right over the left. That set of steps once more then. Back sweep off on that right. 7, 8. Back sweep. Behind side. Cross. Hitch. Cross shuffle. Vine to the left with a cross. You're going to step the left to the side. Cross the right behind the left. Left to the side. Cross that right over. Chassé to the left. Side close side. Then rock back on the right and recover. That set of steps once more then, vining off on the left. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, left chassé, back, rock. Let's add that to our halfway point. Stepping back on that right. 7, 8, back, sweep. Behind, side, cross, brush and hitch, cross, shuffle. Side, behind, side, cross, left chassé, back, rock. You're going to add on a Monterey turn, touching at the end. So Monterey quarter. So you point that right out, quarter turn right, point the left, and then touch the left beside the right. You're then going to step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, point the right out to the side, touch the right beside the left again. That set of steps once more then, Monterey off on that right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, touch, side, point in, out, in. Let's add that to our halfway point. Back sweep off on the right. 7, 8. Back sweep. Behind side. Cross. Brush. Cross. Shuffle. Side. Behind. Side. Cross. Left chassé. Back. Rock. Point. Turn. Point. Touch. Side. In. Out. In. You can add on a vine quarter turn. So you're going to step the right to the side, cross that left behind, make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right. And into a step, lock, step. So you're going to step the left forward, lock the right behind the left, and as you do so, you're going to just pop that left knee, and then step forward on that left again. That set of steps once more then, vining off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of turn in this very last section. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, vine quarter, the same as everybody else, but you're going to turn left at the end. So side, behind, quarter turn left as you step back on the right. Then instead of your step pivot half, just rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, and then you can add on the step, lock, step, step, lock, step. So non-turning steps, should you need to adjust that 3/4 of turn in that last section. Let's add that to our halfway point. Back sweep off on that right. 7, 8, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, brush, cross, shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, left chassé, back, rock, point, turn, point, touch, side, in, out, in, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step. So let's the end of the dance when you get to that point. That is your two halves. Let's put them together. Toe heel off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, cross, back, side, step, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, turn, walk, ball, hold and step. Rocking chair, turn, kick, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, step, twist, twist, hitch, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, brush, cross, shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, chassé, back, rock, point, turn, point, touch, side, in, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step. That's your dance. There aren't that many and counts in it, but I'll go through the counts anyway. Toe heel off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a two-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Toe heel off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, cross, back, side, step, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, turn, walk, walk, hold and step. Rocking chair, turn, kick, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, step, twist, twist, hitch, back, sweep, behind, side, cross, brush, cross, shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, left, chassé, back, rock, point, turn, point, touch, side, in, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, toe, heel, cross, back, side, step, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, turn, walk, walk, and step, rocking chair, turn, kick, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, step, twist, twist, hitch, back, swing, behind, side, cross, brush, cross, shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, left, chassé, back, rock, point, turn, point, touch, side, in, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step. So hopefully you managed to follow that. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, cross, back, side, step, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, turn, walk, walk, and step, rocking chair, turn, kick, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, step, twist, twist, pitch, back, swing, behind, side, cross, brush, cross, shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, left, chassé, back, rock, point, turn, point, touch, side, in, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, step, lock, step, toe, heel, cross, back, side, step, kick, ball, step, forward, rock, back, turn, walk, walk, and step, rocking chair, turn, kick, side, cross, side, drag, back, rock, step, twist, twist, pitch, back, swing, behind, side, cross, brush, cross, shuffle, side, behind, side, cross, left, chassé,
far, so good.
Drag.
So far, so good.
That's sweet.
Now the popping, topping, buzzing is a creeping in.
Vine.
I'm on the edge of calling you, but I ain't getting
Monterey.
in. So far, so good.
Vine.
So far, so good.
Toe heel.
No,
Forward rock.
doing good so far away.
Rocking chair.
At least
Drag.
pretend it hurt a little that you left me that way.
Back
Treat
sweep.
me like a fiddle, didn't skip a beat. Living
Vine.
your best life 1,000 miles from me.
Monterey.
So far, so good.
Vine.
So far, so good. Last I heard you were living somewhere in Sedona. Fell in love, tied the knot out in Oklahoma. Put out her hair, said goodbye, didn't tap the brakes. Now gone for good, is here to stay. Now I'm far from good. No, you're doing good so far away. Now I wish you would at least pretend it hurt a little that you left me that way. Play me like a fiddle, didn't skip a beat. Living your best life 1,000 miles from me. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good.
Hope you managed that one.